welcome back to my channel. I'm Suze. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a Kogan Android television that we just purchased. We had a little mishap with our other television and have been without one for quite some time. So we decided to go and get a cheap television from Kogan. By cheap, it was still $899, but compared to the other brands and the top brands, it was considerably cheaper. We got it for $899, but it was reduced down from $1,499, so I still feel like I got a bargain. We got the 70-inch, so it's pretty good price for a 70-inch. The model number we bought, and I'm just looking at it because the television's just behind me here, we bought the 70 XU9210 STB model, and it is a smart HDR 4K LED TV, series 9. I'll pan around and I will show you the box because I haven't unboxed it yet. It's just arrived. Yeah, well, I guess we'll just get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the television and the box. It's massive. I'm probably going to have help, and we'll be mounting it onto the wall. For some reason, Kogan didn't send the mount that we ordered. Apparently, they're coming in 2 different shipments, so we're going to have to wait to mount it to the wall. But for the purposes of today, I can plug it in and set it up and show everybody how it's working. We can test the sound, just for anyone out there who would be interested in buying one of these TVs, because I guess they're the things you need to know. But if it falls over, I don't know. Let's hope it doesn't. There's no fixes. Okie dokie. So I think these are the feet. I'll put those over here. Yeah, the footsicle. And wow, it looks really thin. See, this was a main complaint with somebody I saw on YouTube. He didn't really do a review on the TV itself and how it worked, functionality, all of that. He basically just was very upset that they put tape on the screen. He said it scratched the screen or something, which you get what you pay for. Like, hopefully the TV works well. I can get those kind of things off with some TV LCD cleaner, so I'm not really too fussed about it, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, we've decided to lay it down on one of our couches, clean couches, because I didn't want to lay it down on the floor, obviously, just to put the feet on. And I would recommend laying it down on a bed or something very soft like a couch or a bed if it'll fit. Uni's come to share in the excitement. I'm just going to show you the feet, so for anyone who buys this and has no idea, it's pretty self-explanatory. You've got here, focus right, and an arrow, so you just put that on the right. It's in the instructions anyway, but basically how you put the feetsies on. Okie dokie, it is up, and it's quite wobbly on its feet, even though I've tightened them. So I would recommend mounting this kind of television, which we will be doing. The mount should be here in a couple of days. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking the tape off around here, and I'll pop the batteries in the remote and turn it on, show you the sound, and get to it. I've also noticed here that there's a separate piece of tape that you can take off here that's protecting this edge. So I will be doing that at some point as well. Okay, so I'll be using some of these lens wipes to clean off all of the finger marks that I've made myself trying to get this stupid tape off. I can understand why the gentleman I watched was so angered by it, because if you're paying $1,500 for a television, which I know we got it on special, this is a problem. Like, you do get what you pay for, but I think there's just a better way of maybe doing this. You know, there was 3 layers of different tape. There was a sticker down here on the television, and this isn't what you want to have to do when you unpackage it. You don't want to be putting your fingers all over the screen. So it is quite frustrating. It's easy to get off. But I think that, yeah, they need to figure something else out when it comes to this. Just keep that in mind. I know other companies sometimes just have like a big, it's like a Glad wrap, like sticky Glad wrap, and they put it over the screen to help protect it. I don't know if that's an option. It seems it's taking a while to start up for the first time. I don't really know what it's doing, and I hope it doesn't do this all the time. When it starts up, I hope it doesn't take this long. So it's taking quite a while. Okay, so far this is a pain in the ass. I'm doing what it's asking me to do, and it's just not working. Alright, I'm just gonna skip. Let's just skip. Please set up your TV with your Android phone. Skip. You can do that step, I guess. I'm going to skip this step because we're mainly going to be using Apple TV anyway, and I can just set up that later. We always just accept without reading, don't we? And that's it. So I'll try the sound out. Let's go over to YouTube. Okay, so that is it. We will usually plug our Apple TV into this because that's just what we use in our household. And we'll be plugging in a sound bar as well, which will help with the sound. I don't know what it sounds like on camera, but here it sounds a little echoey. With the TV, it's not a full rich sound, but once again, you get what you pay for. I will be doing a review on the sound bar we bought as well, which hasn't arrived yet. So once I have that set up, I'll be doing a video on that as well, so stay tuned. If you have any questions about the television, then please send me a message. I managed to get all of the stickers off. That was like one of the main pet peeves, as with a lot of other things that I've seen about this television. That was like one of the things, was the stickers, but I managed to get them off and clean off all the marks. You do have to be very gentle. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Can't wait to watch a movie. I think I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.